So find the derivative of the given function. Here A is some fixed real number, means it is a constant here. So take f of x equal to given function here, differentiating with respect to x here. Hence f dash of x is equal to, so differentiation of x raised to n plus a x raised to n minus 1 plus a square x raised to n minus 2 plus continue plus a raised to n minus 1 into x plus a raised to n here. Therefore, this is equal to d by dx of x raised to n here. Then plus here, differentiation of this function a is a constant and keep outside here, d by dx of x raised to n minus 1 here, then plus here. A square is a constant here, keep outside here. So differentiation of x raised to n minus 2 here, then plus here, continue like that, plus a raised to n minus 1 is a constant here. So differentiation of x, then plus differentiation of a raised to n here. Differentiation of a raised to n. Here a is some constant here. It is a real number here. It is a constant. So you know differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1 here plus a constant right as it is here. X raised to n minus 1 differentiation is n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 1 minus 1 here, then plus a square is a constant here. X raised to n minus 2 differentiation is n minus 2 into x raised to n minus 2 minus 1 here, then plus continue like that here, plus a raised to n minus 1 keep as it is here. Differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of a raised to n is 0 because it is a constant here. Differentiation of constant is always 0 here. Therefore, this is equal to n x raised to n minus 1 here, then plus a into n minus 1 into here minus 1 becomes a minus a, x raised to n minus 2 plus then a square into n minus 2 into x raised to minus 2 minus 1 is a minus 3 here. So n minus 3 plus continue like plus a raised to n minus 1 into 1 becomes a raised to n minus 1 here. So this is the answer here. So for some constants a and b, find the derivative of three examples are there. Take care of first one. So first one is, consider given function as f of x here, x minus a into x minus b. Here is a product formula. You know the formula, differentiation of u into v is equal to first function u keep as it is here, differentiation of second function dv by dx plus second function we keep as it is differentiation of first function here du divided by dx. It is called a product formula. Apply that one here. So differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x here. So f dash of x is equal to, so first function is x minus a, x minus a into differentiation of second function d by dx of x minus b, then plus second function x minus b right as it is here, differentiation of first function here d by dx of x minus a, d by dx of x minus a here. Then this is equal to x minus a right as it is here into Here differentiation of x becomes 1 minus n is the differentiation of constant becomes 0. Then plus x minus b, right, as it is here. Differentiation of x is 1 minus of differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore this equal to x minus a into 1 becomes x minus a. Then plus x minus b into 1 becomes x minus of b. Therefore x plus x becomes 2x minus a minus b. So this is the answer here. Okay. Then second one here. So ax square plus b whole square. Okay. So ax square plus b, it's a squaring. Therefore write the function two times here. Ax square plus b into ax square plus b, because the square is there. Now differentiating with respect to x here. Differentiating with respect to x. Hence f dash of x is equal to, okay, first function is ax square plus b into differentiation of this second function d by dx of ax square plus b, then the plus second function ax square plus b keep as it is, ax square plus b keep as it is here. Then differentiation of this term d by dx of ax square plus b. Therefore this is equal to, so ax square plus b, right, as it is here. Then a constant here, e into x square differentiation is 2x here, then plus, and here b is a constant, only constant is there is no function of x, therefore only constant is there, differentiation of constant becomes 0. Okay, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ constant ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು x ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ k into u ಇದ್ದಾಗ k into du upon dx ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ k ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ k as it ಬಂದು u ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಬರೀ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವುದೇ x ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ a as it ಇಟ್ಟು x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಟು x ಬರಿಬೇಕಾತ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, differentiation of constant 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then plus again ax square plus b, right, as it is here. Here a is a constant here, x square differentiation is 2x plus constant b differentiation is 0. Therefore this is equal to, here ax square plus b, here also ax square plus b, so take a common factor here, ax square plus b is the common factor. Then 2ax plus this 2ax here, 2ax, you are taking a common factor, ax square plus b common factor here, then that 2ax plus this 2ax here. Therefore this is equal to ax square plus b into 2ax plus 2ax becomes 4ax. So you can write like this here, 4ax into ax square plus b. So this is the answer here. The third example, use a quotient formula. So d by dx, u by v. So this equal to, denominator v is there, so write here v square. Then the denominator v here, keep as it is. Differentiation of numerator du divided by dx minus. You write u as it is here. Differentiation of denominator, So dv divided by dx here. It is called a quotient formula. Therefore this is u and this is v here. Differentiating with respect to x here. So f dash of x is equal to denominator term square, x minus b is a square. Then the denominator x minus b into differentiation of x minus a minus of x minus a right as it is here into differentiation of denominator d by dx of x minus b. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to x minus b right as it is here into here x differentiation is 1 minus of differentiation of constant becomes a 0 minus x minus a. So right here x minus a differentiation of x becomes 1 minus of differentiation of constant is a 0 divided by x minus b whole square. X minus b whole square. Therefore, this is equal to x minus b into 1 becomes x minus b minus of x minus a into 1 becomes x minus a divided by x minus b, it's a square. Take a minus inside here. Therefore, this is equal to x minus b minus x plus a divided by x minus of b is a square here. Then plus x and minus x can cancel. Minus b plus a can be written as a minus b divided by x minus b, it's a square. A minus b upon x minus b whole square is the answer here.